Let us see past gate question. The extreme limit to which a body can be repeatedly strained without fracture or permanent change of shape. Number 1, compressibility. Number 2, resiliency. Number 3, density. Number 4, elasticity. The correct answer is resiliency. Let us see past year gate question paper. While testing the strength of a steel beam, it is found that Poisson's ratio for steel is 0.3 and Young's modulus is 2.1 into 10 raised to 6 MPa, megapascal. If the lateral strain of beam is 1, number 1, find the longitudinal strain, number 2, the longitudinal stress. Let us discuss one more gate question. Permissible stress in bending compression for M20 grade of concrete is option A 3, option B 5, option C 7, option D 8.5. The correct answer is permissible stress in bending compression for M20 grade concrete is 7. That is option C. So as I have told, please remember the entire table for this type of question. Next question is regarding curing of concrete. The question is, ponding is associated with option A, RC column, option B, steel column, option C, RC slab, option D, steel truss. The correct answer is RC slab, option C. So ponding is done. Ponding is a method of curing which is done for the RC slab. Let us see one gate question. The compressive strength of M25 concrete is option A 25 kg per square meter, option B 25 Newton per square millimeter, option C 250 Newton per square millimeter, option D 2.5 Newton per square millimeter. The correct answer is option B 25 Newton per square millimeter. Let us see other question. Zeolite is option A hydrated aluminosilicate, option B sodium carbonate, option C hydrated calcium hydroxide, option D calcium bicarbonate. The correct answer is zeolite is option A hydrated alumina silicate. Let us see another question. Which contributes the most to the strength of the concrete? Number 1, calcium aluminate, option B, dicalcium silicate, option C, tricalcium silicate, option D, gypsum. The correct answer is dicalcium silicate. Let us see one past gate question. Identify pozzolana from the following materials: P, cement, Q, fly ash, R, sand, S, surkhi. Option A is QS, option B is QRS, option C is PQS, option D is PR. The correct option is that pozzolana is QRS, that is pozzolana is a combination of fly ash, sand and surkhi. Next question. Bulking of sand is highest in coarse sand, medium sand, fine sand, sand saturated with water. The correct answer is fine sand. Option C. Bulking of sand is highest in fine sand. Let us see another question. When shear stress exceeds the permissible limit in a RCC slab, then this problem is solved by option A, increasing the slab depth, option B, providing shear reinforcement, option C, using high strength steel, option D, using thinner hair but more in numbers. The correct answer will be option B, that is providing shear reinforcement. So when the shear stress exceeds the permissible limit in RCC slab, then shear reinforcement is provided to solve the problem. Let us see past year gate paper. Which of the following is not a mechanism of bond resistance in reinforced concrete? Option A, chemical adhesion, option B, friction, option C, mechanical interlock, Option D, aggregate interlock. Just now we have seen the correct answer will be aggregate interlock, because chemical adhesion, frictional resistance, mechanical interlock, they are all the mechanism of the bond resistance in reinforced concrete. Only aggregate interlock is not a mechanism of bond resistance. Let us see past gate question. For a two-way RCC slab, the length to width ratio should be option A 0.5 to 2, option B 2 to 3, option C 2.5 to 4, option D 0 to 0.5. The correct answer is, as we have discussed, it is 2 to 3. Question number 1. The role of plasticizer in concrete is to improve A. compressive strength, option B workability, option C permeability, option D tensile strength. The correct answer is workability. The plasticizer role in concrete is to improve its workability. Second question. Gypsum is added in cement manufacture for the property of option A increasing binding capacity, option B retarding setting time, option C reducing heat of hydration, option D increasing strength. The correct answer is option B, that is retarding setting time. Gypsum is added in the cement manufacture to retard its setting time. Question number 3. Super plasticizer is added in a concrete mix to option A reduce the water cement ratio for a given workability, option B increase the water cement ratio for a given workability, option C reduce the flow, option D reduce the content of coarse aggregate. The correct answer is option A reduce the water cement ratio for a given workability. Question number 1. The role of plasticizer in concrete is to improve A. compressive strength, option B workability, option C permeability, option D tensile strength. The correct answer is workability. The plasticizer role in concrete is to improve its workability. Second question. Gypsum is added in cement manufacture for the property of option A increasing binding capacity, option B retarding setting time, option C reducing heat of hydration, option D increasing strength. The correct answer is option B, that is retarding setting time. Gypsum is added in the cement manufacture to retard its setting time. Question number 3. Super plasticizer is added in a concrete mix to option A reduce the water cement ratio for a given workability, option B increase the water cement ratio for a given workability, option C reduce the flow, option D reduce the content of coarse aggregate. The correct answer is option A reduce the water cement ratio for a given workability. Next question is, assuming full compaction, strength of the concrete is inversely proportional to option A water cement ratio, option B water sand ratio, option C water coarse aggregate ratio, option D water plasticizer ratio. The correct answer is option A water cement ratio. Next question. The strength of concrete increases with option A increase in water cement ratio, option B decrease in water cement ratio, option C increase in workability, option D decrease in cement aggregate ratio. The correct answer is option B decrease in water cement ratio. The strength of the concrete is inversely proportional with the water cement ratio. Next question. The most important property of concrete in its fresh state is option A compressive strength, option B tensile strength, option C elastic modulus, option D workability. The correct answer is workability. Workability is the most important property of concrete in its fresh state. Please see my last my previous video, concrete part 1, for the detailed discussions of this concept. Thank you.